Today we're going to be doing a follow-along SkiErg workout. This is going to be one of my favorite pieces of equipment for 2021. So much that I've even got a few clients to buy it. So stay tuned as we're going to cover this 10-minute follow-along SkiErg workout. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's workout. I'm Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach. I help people feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. And in today's workout, we've got the SkiErg. Now, as always, if you want to go ahead and skip straight to the workout, click that link in the description and we'll get straight to it. But what we are doing today is I've got my own kind of flavor in what we're doing through this workout. Normally, you know, if you're the ultimate beginner, just take it a little bit slow, okay? Even if you're intermediate or advanced, this workout is still great for you because you can put any amount of effort that you want into this workout to get the results you're looking for. So if you're a complete beginner, you can still do this. Just go slowly through the movements as I coach you through it. So as we're going through this workout, it's gonna be 10 minutes long. Now for this cardio workout, it's gonna be a 40-20. So each move is 40 seconds long with a 20-second rest break in between. The first half of the workout, I'm gonna kind of coach you through it, guide you through the exercises, and then as we get onto the second half, we're gonna repeat it. So our first 5 moves are gonna be unique. We're gonna have a SkiErg, we're gonna do a pull with a little arm rotation. We're gonna do a squat with an outward lat pull. We're gonna go a reverse lunge pull in the opposite leg, and then we're gonna finish up and we're actually gonna do a jumping pull, and that's gonna be the hard one. So I'm gonna coach you through the first half of the workout. Second half, we're just gonna cue up the music, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and grab our water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's smash today's SkiErg workout. All right, we'll get a little water, because I'm certainly gonna need it. And we will get this started. So the cool thing about this SkiErg is that I can actually put my phone in here and I can use this timer. And then also when you're following along with me, you're gonna play it sit right there. So I'm just gonna get this going, 15 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna get this rolling. So first move, I'm gonna come down into squat, pull, coming up and out wide. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Nice squats. So here, I'm just coming straight down, I'm pulling, and I'm bringing the arms out wide. This is kind of like if you were actually skiing and going down the hill. So watch from the back from rounding. Keep that back flat. We're almost doing quarter squats. I'm gonna point my toes out a little bit and push my knees out at the bottom. You can keep the feet completely straight, but you're only gonna do a quarter squat just because of the fact if you came all the way down, your back's gonna round. So coming down and out. We're down and out. Nice pulls, squatting and pulling, getting that full arm circle, okay? Just coming straight on down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a 20-second break just because as we're getting started, sometimes this will get a little bit harder. So when I do the second half of the workout, we're gonna ramp it up, okay? And we're gonna need to catch our breath. So the second half, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squat. Again, sitting in that squat, pushing those knees out a little bit. I'm gonna go arms out wide, kind of like I'm doing a lat pull down out wide. So I'm squatting and then arms are gonna come out wide, okay? You don't have to do this just one way. There's a lot of different ways. So I'm gonna kind of show you 4 moves today. One of those being the same on the other side, but nice squats, sticking my butt back, chest tall. I'm bringing my arms out wide, trying to squeeze my lats, sticking my chest out. Nice squats. In this first half of the workout, we are just going at a nice pace that we can control. My heart rate's already coming up a little bit, which is what we want. The second half of the workout, we're gonna go harder. But right now, we're just trying to get loose. Again, arms out wide, squeezing the lats, chest out. Boom. All right, next, we got reverse lunges, okay? I'm just gonna kind of see where my heart rate is. As always, I'm gonna put the link in the description to the watch that I'm using by Samsung Galaxy Active 2. 96, just cruising. So we got a reverse lunge, straight arm pull. Coming down, you don't have to bottom it out because these will bottom out here. Hover the leg off the ground, bring it about to your knee. Knee up and down. And again, I'm just going at a moderate pace for me. Nice pulls, my arms are going straight down. If you want, you can kind of come down and out and up, play around with it, or just straight up and down, or even out wide. Just a little different. You can freestyle, but traditionally, to get good at skiing, for example, you're gonna come down and out. Down and out. Nice reverse lunges. Nice pulls. Again, I'm going at a moderate pace. We're almost there. We're gonna take a little break. Then we're gonna get the same side on the other leg. So you can actually see on the screen when you're using a SkiErg, the power that you're using here. So it's kind of nice. But again, first half of the workout, just trying to get the blood flowing. This could be used before or after your workout. Or it could just be your workout. You can do it twice. Other side, here we go. Coming down, knee up, nice balance. Drop lunge. Nice pulls. As I lunge, stick the hips and the butt back. Stay onto the heel of the foot. And we're coming down. And again, we're not gonna go super hard yet. That second half of the workout, we're gonna try and give it all there. Right now, we're getting warmed up, getting loose. That's why I love this thing so much, because I can get my arms, I feel my abs, I get my heart rate even higher just doing basic squats and lunges. Whew, all right. Now the next one, we're gonna put a little pop in our step. We're gonna get a slight squat jump, okay? This is where our heart rate's gonna get up a little bit, and when we finish the workout, we'll finish with this move. It is killer. Popping off the balls of the feet just a little bit, not crazy. Squat jumps, here we go. Boom. And then here, I'm just keeping my arms straight up and down. I'm not going crazy. I'm just pushing off the balls of the feet. Light pops. I mean, yeah, it's a slight jump. Called a squat jump, a little pop. Again, I'm not going crazy. Lightly jumping, pulling the arms straight down. Nice pops. Again, you can bring the arms out in circle if you're not too coordinated. Just up and down is fine. Nice pops. Whew, all right. So, in just a second, let's make the second half harder. I want you to give it your all here. You should be getting out of breath. So, in 10 seconds, we're gonna go harder. Repeat everything we just did. Let's crank up the music. Let's get after it.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Good when you're undressed.
2, 1.
I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and past. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out, remember you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now, I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save, ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same, so be different, make a name, huh?
1.
I keep on moving forward.
Woo-wee, yeah. That is the cardio you need to be doing. I didn't fake it, that was freaking hard. Now again, you can put the amount of energy that you want into this workout. So if you're brand new and you're a beginner and you want something full body, just go casually, okay? I cranked it up in the end. My chest is pumped up, okay? My chest, my last, especially my quads, they are lit, like, feels like they're gonna explode. Because again, I was giving it my all, and especially at those last few exercises, I was really feeling it, and I still am. I mean, if I could check out my heart rate, where's it at? It's still 130. Okay, 115. But it definitely got up pretty high. It was like 160, 170. So again, this workout, beginner, intermediate, advanced, you can still do it. And like I said, it's kind of like if you're gonna go take a class at the gym, right? You know, if you're doing yoga, for example, and in your downward dog or warrior, you can go down a little bit, but if you drop it all the way down and go super low, you'll get more out of it. And just like these workouts, you know, even my beginner treadmill warm-up workout, you know, you can jog and, you know, try jogging and doing that, you know, for example. Maybe you don't bring up the incline so much, but anyways, this is a heck of a workout. I really hope you enjoyed it. So again, what you can do is you can get your phone and you can put it in that little cradle that I showed you earlier, and then you could just follow along with me and do the workout, because honestly, like, I mean, hopefully you found this video and you were searching on how to do a SkiErg workout, or you're just subscribed to my channel and you got access to it. But most people don't know about this. And a handful of exercises, I'll have another one of these workouts coming out in the future. Some of them I kind of made up. It's not in like a personal training manual or a book, but the traditional way to use the SkiErg is to squat and kind of come up and down. But I have some moves where I do rotational twists. I got side lateral lunge pulls. And that's the beauty of what I do. It's why my clients enjoy working with me, because I'm always coming up with something different, something unique, and something creative. So as you can see in this series, we're, you know, of my follow-along workouts, we're doing a lot of cardio right now, because for some of us, including myself, this extra cardio, in addition to my abdominal and my weight training, helps me burn off that little extra bit of stubborn belly fat, given that all my food is good. And if you don't know anything about food, diet, nutrition, please go ahead and click on this card. This is the best piece of content I produced in 2020. It's my top 10 diet and nutrition tips for beginners. And it's about 30 minutes long, so get your popcorn out or healthy snack, whatever, and start munching away, because it's a good watch. But that will teach you a little bit more about my philosophy on nutrition and food, because you could do this all day long and you can get a better heart, and you can feel, you know, like you have better cardiovascular endurance and a better, you know, aerobic capacity to perform more work, but your body may not change if your nutrition is not in check. So please get your food together, okay? And if you're brand new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I know not all of you are subscribed, so please subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. That way you'll never miss any of my latest content, because especially now in 2021, filming this, I am putting out a lot of this information for free that anybody could be charging for. And yes, of course, I'm gonna have some killer programs out in the future that you can definitely pay for and buy, but I wanted to lay this foundation down because I'm putting out 100 workouts in 100 weeks. Shooting this now, we're probably approaching 60, and it's quite the journey. You know, I'm so excited that so many of you have decided to follow along in my journey. And because the main reason I started this series was to help my clients, and lo and behold, little did I know we'd have a pandemic in 2020. So a lot of you're getting a bunch of extra bonus content that I am specifically doing this for my clients so they can get in better shape. So, you know, just kind of the after effect of this is that you as a subscriber, you're getting, you know, the best training and knowledge that, you know, a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach can put together. So again, I really do appreciate you being here. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and to better your health and to want to learn more about this SkiErg. And also, I'm going to put the link down in the description to get this SkiErg. It's a really great piece of home equipment. I highly recommend getting the floorboard unless you want to put that thing into the wall, because it doesn't come with that base. It's an additional option, but you'll be able to see it on the website. So get that floorboard so it's sturdy. That way you don't have to stick that thing into your wall. And I promise you, it's one of the best pieces of cardio equipment that you will ever buy. And it's one of my favorite I'm doing right now. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have it much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash, it's gonna happen so fast.
It never changed my